Morning all. Hope you are able to hear me.
Fine, Aman.
So any questions? Yesterday we have started with the APP configuration, correct? So let me show you once again. So what are the steps involved in APP configuration? What are the steps involved? And what is the transaction code?
FBZP.
Correct. FBZP. FBZP without a navigation. Okay. The same steps will be involved in FBZP also. What are the steps? First step. What
Set
is-
up company codes for payment transactions.
Okay. All company codes. So I've already mentioned here. See, all company codes. All company codes. Next one, paying company code. Already we discussed. What do you mean by paying company code and sending company code? Paying company code. Next one. Next one. Payment method in country. Next one. Payment method or methods in company code. In company code. Next one. Bank determination. Okay. Here it will mention as an house bank, but normally we have created house banks already. So in real time also we will create house banks, not in the steps. Okay. So if you want to say, you can say these five. Don't say house banks. So mention these five steps. All company codes, paying company code, payment method in country, payment methods in company code, and bank determination. Okay. So again, I'm expecting few questions from your end regarding this. So in bank determination also, we have few more steps. In bank determination also, we have few more steps like, see here, all company codes, paying company codes, payment methods in country, payment methods in company code, bank determination. So in bank determination, we have different. So ranking order. Okay. Ranking order, bank accounts, right one. This is not required. This is classical version. Okay. This is the latest version of bank accounting. This is on here. We can give any number of banks. So here you can see we have created number of banks, correct? But here in this only enhanced, in the sense it's a classical version, classic banking module. So in this we can give only one bank account at a time. Okay. So we are not using this. So ranking order we have already created. Okay. Next one, rank. What do you mean by ranking order? The priority of the bank, the payment priority of the bank is nothing but your ranking order. Next one, bank accounts. So what are the different bank accounts we have, right? Next one, available amount. So how much amount you want to maintain. Next one, value date. Okay. Again, this one we will discuss value date when we do our payment process, end user F110. At the time of F110, I'll explain this value date. Okay. Anyway, expenses and charges, these are nothing but your bank expenses and bank charges. What the bank will charge, okay, on each payment run like that. So that is nothing but your expenses and charges. And any questions? Any questions on this?
No.
Okay. So I'll just select here a company, paying company code is AI01. So what are the things we have given? Let me show you here. Ranking order we have given. This is the ranking order we have given. House banks we have given here. So we have not given any bank accounts here, correct? Now press back button. Now select AI01, select your bank accounts. Account keys we have given in our ranking order, but here we have given the bank accounts, okay, the bank account IDs, okay, house banks, and the bank GL accounts. The bank GL accounts, very important. What is the difference between ranking order and bank accounts? In ranking order, we have given only house bank IDs. That's it. Okay, and payment method. In payment method. But when it comes to bank accounts, right? We have given house banks and account ID. Additionally, we have given, apart from account ID, we have given house banks, payment methods, currencies, and GL accounts if required business areas. Is this clear? Next one, in available amounts, we have given how much amount we want to maintain, client wants to maintain in each account. Clear? With house bank, account ID, and currencies, different currencies. Next one, value date. As I said that, I'll show you this value date when we do our actual payment run, F110. Clear everyone, but 100% guaranteed interview question on this. So any questions?
No level.
Right, so we'll see, because I'm expecting few questions from me in this. If you don't have any question, then it's surprise. Okay, fine. Okay, next write down. So we have done the configuration. Next one, next step, write down. So bank determination we have done. Put a heading as in document types. So we need to define document types, payment document types. What are the payment document types we need to define? What is the document type?
ZP and ZV.
ZP and ZV. Write down. Put a heading as in document types. In that first step, document types for entry view. Document types for entry view. Write down the path. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings new, document, next document types, define document types for entry view. Define document types for entry view. Transaction code OBA7. Transaction code OBA7. Transaction code OBA7. Okay. So ZP and ZV. So I'm going with the path. Define document types for entry view. Path SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings new, financial accounting global settings new, document types, document types in entry view. For entry view, let me okay, transaction code OBA7. Transaction code. If you want, you can write this also, FAGL underscore OBA7. Okay, FAGL underscore OBA7. Click on IMG activity. Click on IMG activity button. Click on position button. Click on position button. Give document type ZP. Okay, ZP and ZV. So select ZP. Select ZP document type. Select ZP document type and press details button. So write down as it is. Okay, document type ZP, number range 20, reverse document type ZP, account types allowed for all the accounts. So whatever module we are going to do the payment, that has to be payment document type should be ZP.
Navin, here reverse document type should be ZV, right?
ZP only.
ZV, you said for
That is a
reversal it
payment
is ZV.
clearing. That's not reverse. Payment clearing. ZV.
Okay.
Payment clearing should be ZV, not a reversal. Okay. Is it done? Is it done, everyone?
No, Navin.
Okay.
1 minute. Navin.
No problem. Take your time.
Yeah, Navin, done.
Yeah. Click on save button. Press back. Select ZV document type. Click on details tab. Just write down these two. That's it. ZV document type and remaining everything is same. Number range 21. Reverse document type ZV. Number range ki reverse document type ZV. Okay. Next write down. Click on save button. Next one writer. Define document types for entry view in a ledger. Define document types for entry view in a ledger. Path same as above. Path same as above. Up to document types. Up to document types. From there select. From there select. Define document types. Define document types for entry view in a ledger. Define document types for entry view in a ledger. Okay. Path up to document type same as above. From there select. Define document types for entry view in a ledger. Okay, click on IMG activity button. So what is our ledger? What is our non-leading ledgers?
0 will,
Zero is a leading, right?
yes.
AX, IFRS. AX ledger. Okay, click on OK. Next one, press new entries. Press new entries. Give ZP 98. ZV 98. ZP 98, ZV 98. ZP 98, ZV 98. Click on save button. Click on save button. Okay. ZP 98 and ZV 98. And press back button. Repeat the same for other non-leading ledgers. Repeat the same for other non-leading ledgers. Define document types for entry view in a ledger. Give another non-leading ledger, AY. Another non-leading ledger, AY. Press new entries. ZP and ZV. Okay, 99 and 99. Write down. ZP 99 and ZV 99. Okay, click on save button. Press back button. Next step, write down. Define document types for general ledger view.
Navin, why we are not taking the number range for leading ledger?
Sorry, it's a default.
Like,
We are not taking this is document type, right? Not document number range.
yeah,
Document
but we are
0102,
giving.
it's already there, right? We have already defined, right? It's a standard. New GL configuration I have explained, right? It
So
will
we have
take
already given the number range
exactly
for
new GL
0 days.
configuration.
Okay.
Next one, define document types for general ledger view. Define document types for general ledger view. Path same as above till document types. Path same as above till document types. From there, select define document types for general ledger view. Define document types for general ledger view. Okay, so here, okay, give your non-leading ledger AX, press new entries, ZP 20 and ZV 21. ZP 20 and ZV 21. Right now. I think I have given the picture, right? New GL configuration part, how we are going to take and repeat the same for other non-leading ledger. Repeat the same for other non-leading ledger. Press back button. Press back button. Define document types for general ledger view. AY. Press new entries. Press new entries. ZP. ZV 20 and 21. 20 and 21. ZP 20 and ZV 21. Okay. Click on save button. Okay. Now next write down. Next step. Define document number ranges for entry view. Define document number ranges for entry view. Define document number ranges for entry view. Okay. Up to document. Write down. Define document number ranges for entry view. Up to document same path. Up to document same path. From there select document number ranges. Document number ranges. Select document number ranges. From that select documents in entry view. Documents in entry view. In that select define document number ranges for entry view. Define document number ranges for entry view. FAGL underscore FBN1, or you can take it as an FBN1. FBN1. Okay. Click on IMG activity button. Give company code AI01. AI01. Click on change intervals. Click on change intervals. Click on change intervals. Click on change intervals. Insert lines. Insert lines 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 20. This is for 2023. Okay. I'm giving it as in 2 lakhs. 21. This is for 2024, 2021, 2024. You can do to copy to fiscal year also, but still I'm mentioning here only. Just write it down. Okay. Fine. Press enter. Click on save button. Click on save button. Click on save. Okay, next step, write down. Documents in general ledger view. Define document number ranges. Next step, write down. Define document number ranges for general ledger view. Define document number ranges for general ledger view. Define document number ranges. Define document number ranges for general ledger view. So up to document number ranges, same path. Up to document number ranges, same path. From there, select. From there, select. From there, select documents in general ledger view. Okay, documents in general ledger view. From there, select. Define document number ranges. Okay, up to document number ranges, same path. From there, select document in general ledger view. Documents in general ledger view. Next, from there, select define document number ranges for general ledger view. Define document number ranges for general ledger view. Okay, click on IMG activity button. Give company code AI01. Click on AI01. Okay, 4 times. Click on intervals. Insert lines 1, 2, 3, 4. So same thing. 20, 21, 20, 21. Same fiscal years. 2023. 2024. So I'll just change here. Just write it down. Actually, in interview also, I need to change. I have taken 29,999. It should be 2099. Okay. Click on save button. Click on OK. Press back button. I'll change entry view also. We have given not saved yet. I think it's not saved. I'll do it once again in entry view. AI01. You can say it's not saved yet. Okay. Same. Entry view I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4. 20, 21, 20, 21. So fiscal year 2023, 2023, 2024, 2024. Yeah, just write it down. Okay. So press enter, click on save. So we have done the configuration. Okay. Basic configurations we have done. Next one, right now. Next very important step means posting. Automatic payment to a single vendor, APP for single vendor. So within the bracket, write down, method one. Okay, write down first step, write down method one, first step, create vendor master with payment methods. Okay. Create new vendor master with payment methods. Transaction code, as we know, that is FK01. Okay, I'll go here, FK01 /n FK01. Give company code AI01. Next one, account group ASVS Adani Services. Okay, company code AI01. This is not new for you people. We have already created number of vendors. So press enter, select company. I'm taking the same names what I have taken for previous batches. So vendor names. So Vivera Consultancy Services. Vivera Consultancy Services. VCS. So earlier we have not given payment methods to vendor. So now we will do payment methods also. Just write it down. Just write it down.
Done away.
Okay. How about others? Okay. Click on next button. Click on control data. Next screen. Click on next screen. Control data nothing. Control data nothing. Skip it. Okay. Press enter. Vendor bank details we can give. So I'll give here as a IN India bank key. If anything I have, I'll give. Okay, I'll mention here as a okay bank account. Write down account holder name. Consultancy services. Write down bank key, bank account number. This we will receive from vendor. Okay, we'll receive from vendor. Press enter. Okay, I'm just entering here. Okay, I'll enter some bank name, SBI, region 36, street, Bata Street, city Hyderabad, bank Secunderabad. Okay, click on OK. Fine. Next, contact details. Contact details. First name. Okay, purchasing department 02. So write down contact person details. From supplier side, who is the contact person for purchasing? Enter. Press enter. Okay, reconciliation account 150 200. 150 200. Same thing. Sort key 012. Already we discussed all these details. 012. Vendor number. Cash management group A1. Cash management group A1. Domestic payments. Reconciliation account 15 200. 150 200. 012. A1. Press enter. So here payment terms A001. So most important is this two, payment method. So if you want to do check payment method, select check. You want to do bank transfer, select T. So I want to do both check and bank transfer for few vendors. Okay, C and T I'm selecting. So click on OK. Click on OK. You can see here CT. Any questions still here? Only additionally, we have given vendor bank details and vendor contact details and payment methods. Yes, no.
No, no.
Okay, click on save button. Click on save. So write down this vendor number /4. 53 lakhs to 4. 53 lakhs 4. Vendor is ready. Okay. Write down. We'll post one entry. And after that, so first of all, we need to see OBBG /N OBBG. Click on position button. IN tax. Is it A tax in, right?
Yes, no.
A tax in. Click on save button. Click on save button. Fine. And transaction code FB60 /N FB60. I'm posting entries. I'm posting entry. Select the vendor, the latest vendor what we have created. Okay. Vivera. Date F4 F2. F4 F2. Reference number automatic supplier payment ASP01. 4,50,000. Advertisement we are using. I'm taking 1,40,000 is amount. 1,40,000. Tax code I'm taking AB. AB. Okay, same thing. Calculate tax. 1,56,800. AB. Input CGST, IGST. So here business place and business section. Section we will talk later. Business section. Okay, copy the amount. Copy the amount. 1,56,800. 1,56,800. Okay. Tax jurisdiction. Give business area AHYD. Okay. AHYD. Business area AHYD. Profit center A1000. A1000 profit center. Next write down. Next one SAC code. SAC code. Okay. SAC code. SAC code. If you don't remember, just check advertisement. What is that? 361, correct? Advertisement 361 998 361. SAC code 998 361. Okay, click on simulate. Click on simulate. Click on simulate. You can see advertisement account debited, input CGST account debited, input SGST account debited to Vivera Consultancies. Okay, click on post button. Click on post. So document has been posted. Write down the entry, document, display, general ledger. Write down this entry. Okay.
Done, Naveen.
Right now, next step. Outgoing payment. Post vendor invoice visa. Outgoing payment. Outgoing payment. Write down the path. SAP menu. SAP menu. Write down the path. SAP menu. Accounting. Financial accounting. Accounting. Financial accounting. Accounts payable. Accounts payable. Document entry. Document entry. Outgoing payment. F-53. F-53. F- okay, accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, outgoing payment, F-53. Post. Okay, F4, F2, F4, F2, reference number, ASP01, vendor payment. Okay, I'm doing payment from Bank of, sorry, IDBI 241 001, sorry, 11. And amount is, the posting amount is 1,56,800 and 1,40,000. Vendor outgoing payment, vendor account, vendor outgoing payment, okay, press enter, select Vivera, okay, click on process open items. After entering all the details, already we have done many on this outgoing payments. Click on process open items. Double click on amount. Next, click on simulate. Document simulate. Document simulate. You can see here. Vendor. Debit the receiver. Vivera consultancy account debited to. From which bank account it is going? IDBI. So to IDBI cash credit 1,56,800. So click on post, document, display, general ledger bill. Right on this entry. Right on this entry. Entry would be trade receivables, trade payables account debited, or reconciliation account to IDBI account, bank account. Okay. Now for this, we need to issue a check. We need to issue a check and advice print. Right now. Next step. Check and advice print. Check and advice print. Write down the path. Write down the path. SAP menu. Write down the path. SAP menu. Check and advice print. So both at a time. Okay. I'll go with directly SAP menu. Write down SAP menu. SAP menu. SAP menu. Accounting. Accounting. Financial accounting. Financial accounting. Financial accounting. Accounts payable. Accounts payable. Next. Accounts payable. Document. 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 More functions. Document. More functions. Document. More functions. Document. More functions. Print payment forms. Print payment forms. FBZ5. 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 Give your company document number, payment document number, company code AI01, company code AI01, payment method, give payment method C. Okay. Check number, check lot number 2010, because 2000 is for HDFC and 2010 is for IDBI. Next one, give the program name. Give the program name. You remember, right? F110 underscore. Okay, prenum. So this is advantage with auto, this payment run. Prenum CHCK. CHCK. And printer forms LP01. Just write it down. Okay. Just write it down. Document number, payment document number, company code, fiscal year. Okay. So we have not given any check number here. Okay. Go to check menu. Go to check menu and select print option. Select print option from check menu. Select print option from check menu. You can see here both check payment and payment advice. Check payment and payment advice. Both. Okay. Next, double click on check payment. Okay. In international payment medium with check. So double click on check payment. Select this check printout. Select this check printout. Okay. Click on display contents. Click on display contents. See here. document number. Okay. Company, document number, date, fine. Supplier account number, supplier details, right? Document number. So the amount is, check is printed. See here. See here. Check number automatically it picked. First check number 2,01,000. Total amount is, we have not given manually check payment. Sorry, check number. So automatically it picked 21,000. So amount is 156,800. Understood everyone? And you can see the account number also. Supplier account number. Okay. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Next one, covering letter. We'll see the covering letter printout. Press back button. Double click on payment advice, covering letter. Double click on covering letter, payment advice. Select payment advice. Click on display contents. Click on display contents. So it will give you the covering letter, complete covering letter. Same thing. Check printout and advice letter. So in advice letter, you won't find, see check number on the top, you will find. Okay. Understood everyone? So total 3 steps: invoice posting, payment, done. Next one, right done. Automatic single vendor payment. Method 2. This is method 1. Okay. And method 2, automatic payment for single vendor. Method 2. This is I have not mentioned here. Okay. So what we have done, we have created a new vendor and we have done new payment 2. And next we have taken check printout, checks and payment advice, covering letter. So instead of that, what we can do now, instead of creating new vendor, so we will take existing invoice and we'll do the payment. Okay, go to FBL 1N. Go to FBL 1N. I'm sorry, /n FBL 1N. Okay, FBL 1N, click on open items. Okay, 5,30,000. Let me open 1,08,150. So there's an invoice value which is already overdue. 1,08,150. Okay. Security advertisement. Okay. So here for this, okay, for this party, we are going to do the payment. For this party, we are going to do the payment. Okay. This vendor should have a payment method C. Clear? This vendor should have a payment. We want to do automatic payment process in the sense, then this particular vendor need to have payment method either C or T. Okay. So write down. So here, instead of going to 100 vendors are there, we can't go to each vendor account and we can't do the CENT, right? So write down, write down, write down. Assign payment method, assign payment methods CNT to existing vendors or existing vendors. Okay. Next one, XK99 transaction code. I'll show in this individually we can do it or we can do separately. XK99. Okay. You can see all the tables names here. If you want, you can write it down. You can write it down. Okay. So here, wherever you want to do company code data, bank details, for example, variant name. Okay. I have not created a variant. I'll show you this also. Remind me so that I can show in next sessions. So how to change multiple vendors at a time, the details. Okay. So now I'll go with FK02 /n FK02 FK02. Okay. Vendor name, same Vivera or what? Vidarbha. Open item for Vidarbha, right? So control Y. So select here, select payment transactions. We want only payment transactions to be changed. Okay, press enter. So here already it is there CNT. It's already there. So not required to change. Click on save. Click on save button. Click on save. If it is not there, we need to update. Okay. Invoice is already available, right? Okay, here already invoice is there. Directly we can do. Okay, we can do payment and printing at a time. Write down next step. Vendor outgoing payment. Vendor outgoing payment. Write down, put a heading. Vendor outgoing payment with check and payment advice. With check and payment advice. Vendor outgoing payment with check and payment advice at a time. Okay, SAP menu, same. Accounting, accounting, financial accounting, financial accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, accounts payable, accounts payable, document entry, document entry, document entry, same. Outgoing payment, document entry, outgoing payment, F-58, post plus print forms, post plus print forms. Okay, give company code AI01, AI01. Okay, payment method, C, house bank, select IDBI or anything, IDB 00, check number 2020, Okay, next one, same thing. Prenum check, LP01, standard, again LP01. Just write it down. Okay. Next one, click on, after entering, just write, enter all the details. Next, click on enter payments. Click on enter payments. Click on enter payments. So from here only we can do the payment run. Enter payments. Okay. So reference number. Write down document date. Okay, ASP01 value date. Okay. I'm taking this as an ASP02. Okay, once we press enter, we will get this particular screen. What is the amount? 1,08,000, right? 8,150. 1,08,150. And vendor is 5,31,000. Company code. Okay, just write on text. Write on the text, vendor outgoing payment. Vendor outgoing payment. Okay, same thing. Click on process open it after giving all the details. After giving all the details, click on process open items. Okay. Select 1,08,000. Select 1,08,150. Document. Till here, any questions? Yes, no.
No, Navin. No.
Document. Simulate. Okay, same thing. Vidarbha, automatically the check will be updated here also. So click on post. Simulate and post. So here you can say automatically it will come. Document. See here you can see check payment and payment advice. Okay. Double click on check. Now we can see the printout of the check. Click on. Select the check. Next, click on display content. Click on display content. We can see the printout of the check. Okay. Which check we issued? IDBHI. Check slot. Okay. Next one. Click on advice letter. Go to advice letter. Press back button. Okay. Select payment advice. Select payment advice. And click on display content. Okay. And also we can see this is the same what we have seen earlier also. And also we can see okay, if you want, you can print it. Okay, document display. Okay, document display, general ledger view. We have 2 line items. 2 profit centers we have. So automatically it took 2 profit centers. Just write it down. 50,100, 400, and 57,750. Just write down. Done, everyone?
Yes, Naveen.
That's it for today. And tomorrow we will continue. Okay, so we have done existing vendor part. Okay, check and advise print. Okay, so tomorrow we'll see with the multiple vendors. Fine.
Yes, Naveen.
Any questions before we close?
Nothing from my end.
Okay, thanks all. So tomorrow,
Thank you, Naveen.
thank you.
Okay, bye.